Greetings to Madam Rukina and my fellow friends. My name is Learie de Souza Clarence and I'm from class Dcq30144-construction. My metric number is 07DB20F2012. Today, I am going to talk about a roof design system. So, basically, the problem states that the company A is an IBS component manufacturing company and intends to build a warehouse to store those components. As an engineer, you are responsible to design the roof system of the building. In short term, company A is asking for what is the most suitable roof system design for the warehouse to store the IBS component. Before we design our roof system, we first need to know what is the use of the building. An example given to the problem in question is that the building or warehouse was built to store an IBS component. IBS full name are Industrialized Building System. IBS is a term used in Malaysia for a technique of construction whereby components are manufactured in a controlled environment either at site or off-site, placed and assembled into construction works. Industrialized building system (IBS) has 6 main types, which is precast concrete system, timber frame system, block work system, reusable formwork system, steel frame system, and innovative system. Based on the statement that I have stated before, it is important that the IBS component to be stored in a safe environment, which is in a controlled environment in order to maintain the quality of the IBS component, and also require a long span building. Why do we need a long span building? It is because imagine if we wanted to store a precast column. In our general knowledge, precast column has many sizes. So, it is important to have a wide and long environment to store for the IBS component. In which, to be specific, the warehouse design require a high load capacity member, large building space, and the warehouse need to be a weather and fire resistant material. So, why do I choose lattice truss as a roof structure? It is because long span roof can create flexible, column-free internal space and can reduce substructure cost and construction time. They are commonly found in a wide range of building types such as factories, warehouse, agricultural building, hangar, large shop, public halls, gymnasium, and arenas. Lattice truss is durable, lightweight, no span restriction, fire resistant, and flexible design. So it is suitable to be a warehouse for the IBS component. For the warehouse roof covering, I choose the PVC panel. It is because in bright and colorful, large variety of color with all kind of translucent effect, which produce suitable diffuse light, resilient and durable. It is light resilient and can be cut freely, weather resistant and very durable, excellent insulation made of PVC non-flammable, resists chemical corrosion, and its lifespan is over 3 times longer than zinc panels. Waterproof, 100% waterproof, resist impact, tensile, and hardly breakable. Environment friendly, contains non-asbestos and no carcinogen release, and it is lightweight. And in short term, it is long lifespan than zinc panel, weather and water resistant, non-flammable, resist impact, and it is lightweight. For the roof system design, I chose the symmetrical pitch truss roof. Commonly used for medium and long span roof, the form of frames that triangles consisting of mild steel in rivet of welded together to support the light purlin. Purlin support the roof and roof covering. Trusses are placed at 3 meter to 7 meter in which the and are supported on steel column or load-bearing wall. Roof slope is determined by the type of roof covering. Triangular roof space for natural light and ventilation. From roofing works, there are obstacles from every factor. For the trusses, pitch roof place a greater burden on the foundation of the building and demand a greater depth of the footing. Replacing a flat roof with a pitched roof on an existing structure is not always feasible. Not feasible for building with multiple level or complex plan, cannot be done as much with pitched roof regarding architecture. And lastly, it is more expensive to install and maintain. For the roof covering, the most significant disadvantage to using PVC are chemical concerns. Crinoline is an essential component of PVC product, and this is a volatile element. Crinoline can be released from PVC panel over time, though this is minimal and seldom has any adverse health implication. It is a cause for some uncertainty. That's all from me. If you want to know more about the detail, why do I choose this material to be my warehouse material to be made, you can go to this website in the screen to find out more why I chose PVC panel and lattice truss as material to make this warehouse stronger for the IBS component. That's all from me. Thank you.